Hello everybody, and welcome to another video about learning Japanese. Actually, today I'm just looking for a delicious way to make pancakes. And apparently this girl has a great way for us to make pancakes. Let's hear it out. Tales of Arise, such a great game. I really hope there's no bad English translations in this game, or just, bad dialogue that the translators totally screwed up. I mean, come on, this is, What? Excuse me? This sounds like pure gold? I'm game? That is not what she said, not even close. In fact, she said the complete opposite of what that is. Okay, here we go. Literally, she said the exact opposite of what's translated here. I have no clue what the stupid, moronic translators are thinking in this game, but it's pretty bad. Not as bad as the You Smell Like Farts mistranslation from Zesteria, but this is pretty bad. So anyway, what Shion said here was, それは結構よ、行きましょう. And this is actually a very useful Japanese expression, very common. And it's obvious that she means the negative because she's shaking her head in the scene. And kekko typically means no thank you, or I've had enough, that's sufficient. And then of course, ikimashou means let's go, referring to her and Dio Harum here. But yeah, pretty much what she's saying here is completely the opposite of what was translated in the English version. So today's Japanese lesson, very, very useful Japanese, which is why I wanted to include it here. No thank you. You can often say this when, like, at the dinner table, when somebody offers you seconds. And of course, in this dialogue, Shion is, completely not interested in making pancakes with Dio Harum's picture on them. So she says, like, no thanks, we don't need to learn how to do this. I'm out of here. Let's go. And so that would be the proper translation. God, what are these people thinking? Where do they come up with this stuff? Well, at least they, have grammar checks and stuff so that, the actual English is good and there's no grammar mistakes in this game. I'll give you something special return? Far be it from me to level such an accusation, but the facts lead me to conclude that... Never mind, they didn't even do a grammar check on this game. God, somebody please shoot these stupid translators. Thank you, Shion.